Today I'm going to show you how to fix the 500 internal server error in Google Chrome on Windows 11 and what actually causes it. What is 500 error? A 500 error means the problem is on the website's server, not your PC. But sometimes, your browser can also trigger it. Let's fix it step by step. Open Chrome browser. Step 1. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Delete on your keyboard. Delete data. Step 2. Disable extensions. Step 3. Update your Google Chrome. You cannot completely fix or turn off a 500 error because it's a server-side issue. Sometimes, the best solution is just to wait.